Asset Management Firm of the Year. I'd like to call up from Metro Properties, Piotr Skoniczny, to give this award away. Piotr, please come join us.
And here is the short list. Belma Asset Management, CBRE Global Investors, Deutsche Asset and Wealth Management, and EPP.
So, Piotr, thank you for joining us and helping us hand out this award and Metro Properties.
And the winner for this category is CBRE.
Congratulations. Yep. Yep.
Okay, thank you very much. I'm sorry that I'm prolonging your program, but I can't really do faster. Thanks to the jury, and big thanks to the teams, to the one in Poland, to the one in the Czech Republic. It's all for you, so thank you a lot. We do our best, and hopefully also our business partners appreciate it. Thank you.
Well, congratulations. Come join us for a photo right here. Come in the middle. And thank you for also being on the panel today.